This is Red Dragon coming at you live from Dragon Studios in Florida. We're going to do a demonstration on the Tennant vacuum cleaner right now. I use it at the college I work at here in Florida, and it works really good. So we're going to start right now. Do a demo of the vacuum cleaner. This is a great little vacuum. This is a great vacuum cleaner to do vacuuming in a good sized area rather than using a little vacuum cleaner to do vacuuming. It does a great job vacuuming. It's a great medium sized vacuum cleaner to do bigger areas faster. It's a little bit easier. Does a great job. Tennant makes some good equipment. I have other equipment made by Tennant that I always use in the years that I have been doing power work and other things I've been using that long. Been done work for over 27 years. I've been doing over 27 years. Different kinds of equipment. I think Tennant's the best so far. I think Tennant does a great job. They have great pieces of equipment. They have different kinds of equipment for different jobs. All the job needs for commercial cleaning. There's a lot of stuff for commercial cleaning, which is cool, which is a good thing. Help out people like me and other custodians in other buildings do their job the right way, which is cool, which is a good thing. You always want good equipment that's going to work for you for the job that you're going to do. You always want the best stuff. And we always say that the best stuff is we're using equipment constantly around here, different times, so you want to have the right piece of equipment for the right job. This is a good piece of equipment. I enjoy using it a lot.